Hey there, tech explorers. We're thrilled to have you here. Welcome to Tommy's Digital Domain, your new favorite destination for all things tech. Here, we dive deep into the latest trends and innovations. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your digital journey, this channel is your one-stop shop for navigating the exciting world of technology. We cover everything from basic tutorials to advanced tech reviews. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge gadgets, mind-blowing innovations, and practical tips and tricks that will transform the way you interact with technology. Our content is designed to be both informative and entertaining. Tommy's Digital Domain is on a mission to make tech accessible and enjoyable for everyone. We believe that learning about technology should be fun and engaging. We believe that technology has the power to empower, inspire, and connect us all. It's not just about gadgets, it's about building a community. With Tommy as your guide, you'll discover the latest trends, master essential skills, and unlock the full potential of the digital realm. Our tutorials and reviews are tailored to help you get the most out of your tech. So buckle up and get ready to explore the dynamic world of technology, one video at a time. Each episode is packed with insights and discoveries. Subscribe now and join Tommy on this incredible adventure. Don't miss out on the latest updates and exclusive content. At Tommy's Digital Domain, we're passionate about bringing you the latest and greatest in tech. From the most innovative gadgets to the cutting-edge advancements in the tech world, we cover it all. Our channel is your daily source for everything from breaking news and in-depth gadget reviews to insightful commentary on tech trends and industry shifts. We provide practical tutorials and mind-blowing tech hacks that make your digital life easier and more enjoyable. Curious about the newest smartphone on the market? We unbox the latest models and give you a first-hand look at their features. We've got you covered with comprehensive reviews that delve into the specs, features, and user experience, helping you make informed decisions. Need help setting up your smart home or optimizing your Wi-Fi? Our step-by-step guides make it simple and straightforward. Our easy-to-follow tutorials will guide you every step of the way, ensuring you get the most out of your tech. And if you're looking for some next-level tech hacks, we'll show you how to unlock hidden features, boost your productivity, and get the most out of your devices. From software tricks to hardware tweaks, we've got it all. With new videos released regularly, you'll always be ahead of the curve and equipped with the knowledge to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. Stay tuned and stay tech-savvy with Tommy's Digital Domain. What sets Tommy's Digital Domain apart is our unwavering commitment to inclusivity and accessibility. We believe that technology should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or background. That's why we've designed our content to cater to a wide range of viewers, from tech newbies to seasoned veterans, ensuring everyone finds value. Tommy's friendly and approachable teaching style breaks down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces that are easy to understand and apply in real-world scenarios. Whether you're just starting to learn about computers, exploring new software, or looking to expand your coding skills, we've got something tailored just for you. More than just a channel, Tommy's Digital Domain is a vibrant and supportive community. We encourage you to join the conversation in the comments section, share your thoughts, ask questions, and connect with fellow tech enthusiasts from around the world. Ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of technology and innovation? Subscribe to Tommy's Digital Domain today and become a part of our growing community of tech enthusiasts and innovators. We can't wait to have you join us on this amazing journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest videos and updates. See you in the Digital Domain, where the future awaits.